Hi everybody, my name is Jordan Najafi. I'm currently teaching at Winder Barrow High School in Barrow County, Georgia. Winder's about half an hour west of Athens if you go down 316. I'm currently teaching ninth grade honors world history and I'll be taking on the AP World History class this coming school year. I also coach softball and golf at the high school. I'm a dog mom, so you can see the picture of my baby Ayla. She's a rescue from the Gwinnett County shelter, and I love her to death. One of my memorable diversity issues is a lack of diversity within the gifted program in Barrow County. It's gotten more diverse with each class over the past few years, but there's still a ways to go to make the gifted program more equitable and matching the school demographics. My favorite thing about engaging diversity and equity issues is just learning about other cultures, meeting diverse groups of people, and seeing a positive impact from the successes in engaging diversity and equity. And my least favorite thing about engaging diversity and equity is that coming from a place of privilege, I've never and never will experience what many minority students experience. And so that's always tricky waters for me to navigate through. But I look forward to learning a lot this summer with y'all. Have a great day.